we are looking for lunch, and we spoke to some locals. Even this gentleman here who's riding the auto. We took the tuk-tuk from the market area, from the KSRTC bus stand. We are going to this restaurant called Guru Bhavan, and apparently the biryani is good. So let's go there and find out. So yes, we have made it, and this is a veg and non-veg family restaurant. Let's go in and find out. Adrian is right there. I'm looking for her. So a lot of people eating here. Hey, sit here. Sit here, sit here. So yes, we have found a place here. There's nice light here so we can show you the food. And look at the place. So it is completely packed. These are good signs. Probably the food is good here. We'll go through the menu and let's see what we can order. Let's go through the menu now. So one thing what I really liked here in Kerala is the food here is very good and it is very cheap. You just need to go to the right places. So this is the breakfast section. Soup, rice items are here. I think we will go for a biryani. I love Kerala biryani. Eaten a lot in the Middle East. I know I keep saying that often, but I had a fantastic time eating food in the Middle East. I used to eat very often at the Kerala restaurant and at the Egyptian restaurants as well. I like their food as well. So let me just speak to the, you see here, most of the mallus are there in the Middle East. So yes, that's the reason why they have all this on their menu as well. Sikh kebab, shawarma roll. And okay, so look at the huge containers they have given us for water, and it is hot water. Adrian, can you please pour for me? I like the concept. Look at these glasses. I don't know if this is a special water. It is tasteless, but I don't know why they've given it warm. But yeah, it is good. I mean, I cannot really describe water to you, but how do I say? I don't understand the concept of warm water, but the weather is cool here. In the afternoons, it's a little warm, and having little warm water makes you feel good. Here's what we've ordered. One thali meal, that is like a huge veg thali, and I have gone for the beef biryani, and also we have taken one ginger and lime soda, sweet and salty. I think that's good enough for us. Let's see, if we fall short, we might order more. So this thing here was full. This is the beef biryani. As you can see here, little pieces of beef. I'm going to be using my spoon just to taste, guys, and then I will get rid of the camera and enjoy this with my hand, because this food needs to be had with your hand. And this here is Adrian having the thali. So Adrian, there's too much food. It's better you review the food and let me know what is there. What is that rice?
So this is dal.
Dal, yeah.
Yeah, okay. This is dal, and let me just try this. I think this is rasam.
Rasam, yeah.
This is pickle.
Yeah.
Chili pickle.
Chili pickle.
Yeah,
nice.
yeah. Munnar chili pickle.
Okay.
Sweet pickle.
Okay.
Cabbage.
Okay.
I think it's called thoran.
Taste it.
It's called thoran in Munnar.
I don't know, but taste it.
Damn good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
And this is some type of
Okay.
potato and vegetable.
Have it. Maybe some kind of gourd.
Yeah, it's some
We
kind
don't
of
know.
gourd
Okay, move on.
with coconut.
With coconut, okay. That
This is
one?
curd.
Yeah, that is sweet.
Sweet.
Okay.
This is a curry.
Yeah. Like
Yogurt.
Gujarati, Rajasthani curry.
Yeah, Gujarati rice. Another type of dal.
Yeah. Okay. So if you have to rate this thali out of 10,
10 out of 10.
really?
Yeah, I liked it.
It was a super quick review. We didn't want to waste any time. And yes, now let me describe this to you. that they've used is a different kind of rice. Small grains, beef again, small pieces, generous, and they've used a lot of black pepper. So as I bite through it, I'm getting the heat from the black pepper, and this is the yogurt with some onions in it, and that one is the pickle.
Sorry, this is not sweet and sour pickle, it's bindi.
Bindi, okay, no problem. So there's a lot in that thali, guys. We are new to this cuisine, but Adrian says 10 out of 10. And if you have to ask me for the biryani, I would say 9 out of 10. So I did taste many things from Adrian's thali, and I can confirm that the veg thali is excellent. Like literally, it's a 10 out of 10. And guys, as I said earlier, we paid around 80 rupees. There are a lot of auto rickshaws available here. So if you're coming here, I highly recommend the veg thali. The veg thali is super good. And as you can see here, there's still so much crowd eating here. So looks like this is indeed a very famous place. And now we've got the lemon mint soda. Nice and colorful. Refreshing. This is good as well. I feel it should have been very cold, but that's okay. I should have told him. But the taste is very good. It's you can taste the lime, you can taste the mint. It is tangy. At the same time, it's not very sweet because we told him to make it like sweet and salty. So it's very good, very refreshing. So our first day in Munnar, refreshing. Our first day in Munnar, just like the drink here, has been refreshing. Like it is such a gorgeous place. The place where we are staying, we've shown it to you. The place around that, it is too good. It is excellent. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you know some good places to eat in Munnar, do let us know, because we are definitely planning to visit this place in the future, and it will help our other viewers as well. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.